Okay, so you'd like to convert a PDF file into a Word document, but you don't know the easiest way to do it. I'm going to be showing you how to make this process in a very simple and easy way. To get started, the first and easiest method is by using the Microsoft Word. If you already have Microsoft Word installed into your computer, you might not need any additional software at all. So what you need to do is just to open the Microsoft Word. Instead of creating an actual new document, just click into the element that says open. In my case, since we don't have Word, we will be using another way to do this element. Basically, what you just need to do is to import the PDF from Word inside the actual application of Word, and that is totally it. There's a free version that you can use directly into your computer. You can open your actual browser. Inside your browser, you can just type M365. Inside here, what I'm going to be doing here is just to type the Copilot, and I should be telling you that the cloud of the Copilot will be asking you to sign in before we continue. When you are inside here, you can go directly into the left section that says Applications, and here you can look out for the element that says Word. Think of it like Google Docs, Google Excel, whatever, but this is totally for free. Now, the only problem with this kind of tools is that they're really limited. So in this case, I'm going to go for the element that says upload my file. I go for downloads, and inside the downloads, I choose all the files, so I can select my PDF file and go for open. What's going to happen is that the PDF will be now imported directly into the Word, so automatically it will be converting this element into Word. Now, just in case this actually didn't work for you, this might be the reason why I don't use the Microsoft Word free version, because this tool actually doesn't work at all. In a few countries, I believe this one is actually available, but if it's not available for you, you don't have to worry about it. Let's go for the third option. The third option is to try directly with Google Docs. Inside your browser, just type Google Docs, click directly inside this element, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to go for a blank document, a new document. Inside here, I'm going to go for the element that says File. And now I will be going for the element that says Open. Inside Open, what I'm going to be doing here is just to go for Upload, Browse, Downloads, and inside my downloads, I want to be choosing my PDF file so I can open this element, and it will be making the actual conversion between my PDF and my actual element of the Google Docs. And if this method still didn't work for you, the last solution that I can give you is to go for an actual free application or a free website that does this for you. So just go into google.com, type PDF to Word. There's a lot of applications that can be helping you with this process. For example, Adobe, Small PDF, an application from the Microsoft Store, and whatever. So I'm going to type, for example, from the Microsoft 365. I'm going to go directly here from the Convert PDF to Word, and I'm going to select my PDF file. The only problem with this kind of applications is that sometimes they have a few watermarks. So if I hit for the element that says Convert to Word, and I go for download the actual Word file, here is my actual Word file. I'm going to head back directly into the Copilot 365, which is the Microsoft Cloud element, and where it says Word, I'm going to open my Word. I signed in, and I'm going to try now to upload the same file once again. As you can see here, it is now already been enabled. So when I select my PDF file, it should be now having the actual conversion right away. And as you can see, my PDF actually worked really fine. So those are just a few methods of how you can actually get started with this kind of tools. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. So make sure that when you use this kind of applications or these websites, they don't have let's say watermarks, and if you have, for example, some sensitive content or something that you don't want people to see, or you don't want to upload this into this kind of pages, well, I can strongly suggest you to try it out, the actual Word application, the Microsoft 365, into your computer, so you don't have any kind of this problems, so you can just go straight away and import this specific file into this PDF into Word, so you can make the actual quick conversion. And there's even a lot of tools that you can try it out with the actual Word web browser, in this case the actual application of the Word. But that's totally optional, that's totally up to you. And well, if you have any question, of course, you can let me know in the comments below, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and well, hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time.